I've been making money from YouTube for about a year now. That's right. The money's been rolling in for a year. But how much money has been rolling in? Well, let me show you in this video. Let me tell you in this video exactly how much money I've made in my first year of making money from YouTube. And not only am I going to tell you how much money I've made, but I'm also going to tell you where the money's come from, the difference in money between those long form traditional videos and shorts, because there's a massive difference, what videos have been making me the most money, what's worked and what's not worked. And as I said, I'll tell you the important part, how much I've made. And you know what, let's do it first. That's why you're here. You want to know how much money I've made. Hopefully you'll stick around and see all the other parts as well. But how much money have I made? Well, first off, this is my YouTube channel. So Create Action. There you go. That's my channel. Create Action Ltd. Limited. I've got, what have I got? 2,925 subscribers and lots of videos and so forth. Content. Yep. Lots of videos on there. I can't remember how many. It's hundreds of videos, lots of videos scheduled as well, ready to go live. And yeah, that's what I've got. So how much money have I made? Let's have a look though. Let's go into analytics and let's change this from 28 days, which is at now, to 365 days. So you got a year's worth. And just to let you know, I'm monetized, and by monetized I mean start making money from YouTube in October 2023. It's now October 2024. So how much have I made in the year? Let's have a look. Let's have a quick breakdown. In terms of views, 668,000 views. That's a lot. 220% more than the previous year. Watch hours, 17,000, almost 18,000 in watch hours. In terms of watch hours, to be monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours. So that's 4, 8, 12, 16. That's a lot of watch hours extra that I'm getting in there. Subscribers, 1,700 subscribers in the last 365 days, which is 84% more than normal. And the bit that you want, how much money have I made? 2,200, and in this case, £15.55. So it's £2,200 in the last year. What's that though in dollars? Let me have a look at what it is in dollars. So let's have a look in dollars. What did we say? It was like 2,200. There you go, $2,800. That's good. What else we've got? Indian rupee, because I know I've got lots of people in India who watch my channel as well. So what we say, £2,200 is that much Indian rupee. That's a lot of Indian rupee. There you go. So I've made this in the past year from this YouTube channel. Though something to be aware is that I understand with YouTube, with the ad revenue, that depending on what country you're from, you'll get different money based on that country. So in India, adverts might pay less money than they do in the UK. They might pay more money. Same with America. So the figures I'm giving you are the figures that I've got. Yeah, so £2,200 in the last year. Those, estimates here from just doing a quick little equation, that should give you an idea, but it's not going to be absolutely perfect. Also, it depends on the channel that you've got as well. So my channel is tech related. So you can see here, which is how to use Articulate Storyline, which is a e-learning tool, Excel, Facebook scams, Microsoft Word video, Word, Excel, hacking into accounts, here you go, some tech related reviews of a hard disk, headphones. And tech pays more money for advertising than some other things. I believe the best paying type of advert is financial advice ones. So those ones about stocks and shares and ISAs and crypto and all that type of thing. I think they're the adverts that pay the most. If you've got a channel which is relating to gaming, so if you're into Minecraft and things, I think they pay the least in terms of advertising revenue. Probably because there's so many channels of people creating Minecraft videos and things. Yeah, so I'm not saying don't create those videos, far from it. I'm just saying, just be aware that each channel offers different amounts of money based on the advertising that's coming in. So yeah, more lucrative is financial investments. So those figures though, so 2,200. First question, am I happy with that figure? Yes, I am happy with that figure. That's £2,200. That's a lot of money. That's very good. I would have liked more. Of course I would have liked more. Everyone likes more. So we had a nice climb here and gradually getting better and better. Big drop off there for whatever reason. And then, it's kind of gone up, and then it's just, kind of calmed down a lot. So what, £5, £6, £7 a day, as opposed to what was it getting peak, £13, 37 pence a day. So it does vary. However, I'll keep reminding you of this: it's £2,200. It's good money. But what content has actually brought in that money? Go to advanced mode and have a look at the actual analytics. And of course, something that helps all the videos is when you like the video, and if you comment and you subscribe, it helps. But liking and commenting really helps the algorithm. So if you're watching this, please do that. It's worth it. Thank you. So I'm a tech channel. Like I say, tech related to Excel, Word, reviews of hard disks, headphones, webcams, robot vacuum cleaners, all that type of thing. Based on that, which video has brought me in the most money? Well, it's how to replace a battery in an Audi key fob, which has got nothing to do with tech. This is the honest truth, I only made the video because I was visiting my dad, and my dad had a problem with his Audi key fob, putting the battery in it for his car. And we got talking about YouTube, and I said, why don't we record a quick video on my phone? So I just use this phone, and how to record, let's record a quick video on how to do this, and I'll show you how I post videos to YouTube. And then we can just watch and see how many views we get. Turns out a lot of people, so 79,000 people, also needed help on how to replace a battery in an Audi key fob. So the video in which I did, I think, no editing on it, I just recorded it and posted it and added a title and things. The thumbnail's most basic thumbnail as well. It's done the best for me. £272 it's made me, which is 12.3% of my total revenue. And the one that's done second best is Articulate Storyline 360, All You Need to Know, which has brought me in £237. And next one is an Articulate Rise video. Now, so £138. Let me go back to views though. So I'm going to go to views. So the video with the most views is the Audi key fob, and it's also the video with the most revenue. Next one though, we've got how to recover unsaved and lost PowerPoint, how to force dark mode on all website, how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. So it takes a while. You've got to go all the way down here, and you eventually get to the Articulate videos that I talked about that will bring me in much more revenue. So why is that? Why are these videos, which are performing better, 26,000 views, 23, 22, 19, 18, why are these videos with 26,000 views not doing financially as well as the videos with 13,000 views and 12,000 views? So if I've just gone to estimated revenue, let's bring these ones back in. So this one here, doing really well. This video is 2.5 hours long. And this video is 31 minutes long, so it's over half an hour. If we go back to the views, some of these videos, they're performing very well. 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes. They're very short. And the reason I'm telling you this is because with videos that are over 8 minutes, you can bring in extra advertising. The way this works is as follows. Every video that you make is going to have an advert at the start and an advert at the end. A video that's over 8 minutes, YouTube allows you to put extra adverts in there. So you might put 1 or 2 more adverts in there. If your video is 2.5 hours long, you'll have a lot of adverts in there. So I don't even know how many, but it's lots. There's lots of adverts in there. So this video here, which is 2.5 hours long, is bringing me in this much money because people are watching it and they're watching all of the adverts that go with it as well, which is why it's making me so much money. So £237. If we go to this, you can see it's actually the second highest. And the same with this one here, which is 31 minutes long, brings me in £138. Next down here, there's only 1 minute long, brings me in £67, which is half the money of the one in third place. So having those videos that are over 8 minutes long does help. So if you've got a video that's 7.5 minutes, you might want to add a little bit extra in the beginning, maybe extra in the end, particularly the end, to get it over the 8 minutes so you can bring in those adverts. That's a piece of advice for you. Something else that's done really well for me. Again, going back to this video here, this video is actually a series of videos. It's a lot of videos, it's like 20 or 30 videos put together into one very long video. If I scroll down a little bit, this video here, if I can show it to you, the next button appear after all the other buttons have been clicked. It's made me £31.89. That video features in this one here because it's on the same program that I'm talking about. And then down here, how to disable the next button, that one there features in it as well. How to edit or change the previous next button, that one there features in the same video. Again, this one here, articulate storyline video. So those videos are all appearing in this one here. I have all these videos on how to use articulate storyline in a playlist. Let me try and find that playlist for you. So here we go. If I go articulate storyline 360, so there's 65 videos in there. So I go to view full playlist. Someone contacted me and said, they contacted me via LinkedIn and said, yeah, thanks for your playlist, it's really good, but could you just make one long video? What they didn't want was a video to play and then to kind of go to the next video in the playlist and go to another one in a playlist. And yeah, I gotta be honest, I don't think playlists in YouTube are that good to navigate. They said they just wanted one really long video. And I thought, well, why not? Why not just try one long video? So I took all of these, because I already had them on my computer anyway, put them into one massive video, edited them, and then published it as one big video. It's not much effort to do it. In fact, someone did it for me. Thank you very much. And it might get me some views. It did more than get me some views. It got me 12,000 views and made me £237. So that is something I recommend as well. So if you're making videos, as an example, let's say you're doing it on how to defeat a boss in a computer game. You could do a video on how to complete, how to defeat the first boss, the second boss, the third boss, the fourth boss, and the fifth boss. Then why don't you also make a video of how to complete all of the bosses, how to beat them all? Because that way you got 5 videos here plus an additional very long 6th one. This video is making me money, it's making £237. This video down here is making me £16 as well. This video down here is making me £15. This video down here is making £12. So I'm making these £12, these £15, these £16, and I'm making this £237. So that's something that I'd recommend you do, and something I will be doing in the future. Another tip for you is to not worry if a video is not performing very well. So there's a video here. In fact, let me go and look elsewhere on my channel to show you this one. How to force dark mode in Chrome. Okay, look at the analytics for it. This video performed terribly, really badly. Essentially, it was averaging 2 to maybe 3 views a day. And then it just kind of exploded. And it's now had almost 24,000 views. I could have deleted the video or changed the thumbnail 10 times or edited the title and things. I did nothing to it, I promise you. I did absolutely nothing to it. And this video has just completely exploded. So don't worry if some videos are performing quite slowly. All of these videos have been showing you a long form. All the videos, they're making me the most money. It's long form. If I go to shorts though, let's have a look at shorts. Some shorts have done particularly well in terms of views. Let's have a look. So this one here, so 10,000 views. How much money is it made for me? Remember, 10,000 views on a short. That's popular. How much money have I made from it? 70 pence. That's all I've made from it. So 10,000 views has given me 70 pence. 10,000 views, which is good, is 70 pence, which is not good. But I knew that was shorts anyway. Shorts don't make you much money. To put that in context, let's find you another video with around 10,000 views. So, there you go, Tesla solution. Tesla not turning on, Tesla screen not turning on. It's got 9,000 views and it's made me £31 as opposed to 70 pence. Also, again, it's not a video, it's not a long video. So the Tesla video is 2 minutes. So it's not like it's a 2-hour video or anything like that. So I do put my time and effort into these long form videos. Something else that's helped me a lot is posting on LinkedIn. So I say LinkedIn, you could do it on any social media you want, so Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, X, whatever it's called. I use LinkedIn a lot because of the content. So my content is, again, Google Sheets, Microsoft Word, e-learning creation tool, another e-learning creation tool, LinkedIn logo. So my audience is professionals. That's probably the best description for it. So people who are using spreadsheets and Word and so forth. So LinkedIn, which is aimed at that exact audience, they are the right people for me to be targeting. By me posting on LinkedIn, I get views, I get subscribers. If your content is relating to something else, then LinkedIn might not be the right place for you, but Twitter might be the right place, or Instagram might be the right place. So it is worthwhile promoting elsewhere on social media because you start getting people coming in. But in summary, to the question of how much money did I make in my first year, I made £2,200 in my first year. That is well and truly worth it. Anyway, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. It all helps. Thank you very much.